NFL Bengals Lucas one-game ban reduced to fine December 6, 2017 03:59:33 p.m. Chiefs suspend CB Peters one-game December 6, 2017 03:44:45 p.m. Patriots resign Pound Freeney December 6, 2017 02:20:55 p.m. Week 14 Game Scout December 6, 2017 114,540 am Seahawks Wilson earns NFC Offensive Player of Week December 6, 2017 104,800 am Steelers W.R. Smith-Schuster, Bengals Lucas suspended December 5, 2017 1:01:39 p.m. Saints, Falcons clash in critical division matchup December 5, 2017 08:34:18 p.m. NFL Notebook Steelers Shazier remains hospitalized December 5, 2017 07:22:23 p.m. Broncos plus DeWolf on IR December 5-2017-07:03:37 p.m. Patriots Tay Gronkowski has appeal denied December 5, 2017 05:45:30 p.m. Bills plus De Lawson on IR, ending his season December 5, 2017 05:41:44 p.m. A familiar script for Bengals December 5, 2017 05:28:30 p.m. Steelers thoughts with Pound Shazier December 5, 2017 03:04:13 p.m. Steelers Pound Shazier remains hospitalized December 5, 2017 01:49:37 p.m. Stock report Roquan Smith confirms status as college's top pound December 5, 2017 01:07:45 Smacks Giants W.R. Cruz calls firing of McAdoo long overdue December 5, 2017 125,534 am Steelers Brown cites karma following win vs. Bengals December 5, 2017 104,225 am Bears sign K. Nugent, plays K. Santos on IR December 5, 2017 100,954 am Steelers Shazier continues to improve in hospital December 5, 2017 02:12:42 am Cushing officially back from suspension December 5, 2017 01:50:46 am More. MLB Athletics latest stadium proposal strikes out December 6, 2017 04:12:16 p.m. Boone Yankees skipper job chance of a lifetime December 6, 2017 02:53:19 p.m. Indians sign RHP Otero to 2-year deal December 5, 2017 07:46:55 p.m. Tigers agree to deal with F. Martin December 5, 2017 07:43:09 p.m. MLB Notebook Royals sign RHP Peralta December 5, 2017 07:40:53 p.m. Royals sign RHP Peralta to 1-year deal December 5, 2017 06:08:32 p.m. Cardinals sign RHP McCullers to 2-year contract December 5, 2017 02:24:07 p.m. Humboldt Boone officially named by Yankees December 4, 2017 05:11:38 p.m. Red Sox agree on 1-year deal with P. Thornburg December 4, 2017 04:06:08 p.m. MLB Notebook Ohtani trims list of potential teams December 3. 2017-08:53:25 p.m. Japanese star Ohtani whittles list of potential teams December 3, 2017 08:38:27 p.m. Astros star Keuchel hurt foot during celebration December 3, 2017 04:02:49 p.m. Padres extend GM Preller December 3, 2017 03:44:32 p.m. Blue Jays acquire INF Diaz from Cardinals December 2, 2017 08:57:21 p.m. Stanton reps also to meet with Cardinals December 2, 2017 114,050 am Boone reportedly tabbed new Yankees manager December 1, 2017 08:59:34 p.m. MLB Notebook Giants, Stanton reps meet December 1, 2017 07:53:46 p.m. Brewers avoid arbitration with C vote December 1, 2017 07:20:57 p.m. Holland, Moustakas win comeback player awards December 1, 2017 07:08:05 p.m. White Sox spring on C. Castillo, retain RHP Farquhar December 1, 2017 05:31:01 p.m. More. CFB Arkansas hires SMU's Morris as head coach December 6, 2017 03:14:45 Motional Taggart set for dream job with Florida State December 6, 2017 02:52:02 p.m. South Carolina fires OC Roper December 6, 2017 122,314 am CFB Notebook Florida State hires Oregon's Taggart December 5, 2017 08:23:06 p.m. Florida State lands Taggart as new coach December 5, 2017 07:42:24 p.m. Memphis locks in Coach Norvell to extension December 5, 2017 06-2357 p.m. Florida State RB James declares for NFL Draft December 5, 2017 035259 p.m. Central Florida Tabs Heupel is head coach December 5, 2017 122,803 am. Reports Rice to hire Stanford OC Bloomgren as coach December 5, 2017 115,732 am. Oklahoma RB Anderson accused of rape and protective order December 5, 2017 111,021 am.NC State. The Chubb wins Nagurski Trophy December 4, 2017 114,253 p.m. Ohio State USC highlight of non-playoff bowl games December 4, 2017 095506 p.m. Jackson, Mayfield, Love named Heisman Trophy finalists December 4, 2017 073908 p.m. CFB Notebook Texas A&M hires Fisher away from Florida Street December 4, 2017 053439 p.m. Pitt WRKR Henderson to enter 2018 NFL Draft December 4, 2017 040824 p.m. Florida Street. Attempts to meet with Oregon's Taggart December 4, 2017 030741 p.m. ASU's Edwards fired up at introductory press conference December 4, 2017 025131 p.m. Texas A&M confirms 10-year, $75 million contract for Fisher December 4, 2017 015425 p.m. Staying put. Malzahn agrees to new deal with Auburn December 4, 2017 000040 Omson Devils officially hire Edwards as head coach December 3, 2017 114,912 p.m. More. CBK Boston College's Hawkins need to miss rest of season December 6, 2017 040337 p. Mookla cancels game versus Montana due to wildfire concerns December 6, 2017 040120 p.m. Defense pushes Street Johns past Grand Canyon December 6, 2017 020856 am. Ball State upsets No. 9 Notre Dame on late three-pointer December 6, 2017 01273 am. Top 25 roundup. Ball State stuns number 9 Notre Dame December 6, 2017 012155 am. Williams powers No. 20 TCU past SMU December 6, 2017 010104 am. Huskers dump 14th ranked Gophers December 6, 2017 005337 am. No. 6 Wichita State rallies past South Dakota State December 6, 2017 004417 am. Arizona holds on to beat No. 7 Texas A&M December 6, 2017 003633 am. Syracuse takes down Connecticut December 6, 2017 002921 am. No. 1 Duke pounds St. Francis Paw December 6, 2017 002905 am. Thompson leads Oregon State past Eastern Kentucky December 6, 2017 002118 am. Texas Tech knocks off No. 22 Nevada in OT December 6, 2017 000603 am. No. 18 WVU pulls out win versus Number 15 Virginia December 5, 2017 114,007 p.m. Martin guides Butler past Utah December 5, 2017 112,904 p.m. Walker leads number 10 Miami past Boston University December 5, 2017 112,209 p.m. No. 3 Michigan State survives slugfest with Rutgers December 5, 2017 112,110 p.m. Missouri beats Miami Ohio for 7th win December 5, 2017 111,845 p.m. Bridges helps No. 4 Villanova defeat number 12 Gonzaga December 5, 2017 105,720 p.m. Arkansas rolls past Colorado State December 5, 2017 103,502 p.m. More. NBA Hornets coach Clifford takes leave to address health December 6, 2017 113,242 am. Struggling Clippers face struggling Wolves again December 6, 2017 031307 am. Pelicans hope to exact revenge from Nuggets December 6, 2017 030409 am. Pistons seek to bounce back versus Bucks December 6, 2017 025159 am. Celtics look to maintain West success versus Mavs December 6, 2017 024047 am. Knicks hope to have Porzingis back versus Grizzlies December 6, 2017 02-17-03 AM Wizards rebound impressively behind Beals 51 December 6, 2017 015-A31 AM NBA Roundup Wizards Beal pours in 51 December 6, 2017 01-19-46 AM Bench Westbrook help Thunder lower boom on Jazz December 6, 2017 00-15-48 AM Booker injured in Suns loss to Raptors December 6, 2017 00-12-26 AM Warriors face Hornets without Curry December 5, 2017 09-01-17 p.m. Bulls hope to end skid against Pacers December 5, 2017 08-53-56 p.m. NBA Notebook Warriors Curry out at least 2 weeks December 5, 2017 07-29-41 p.m. Resilient Spurs look to keep rolling versus Heat December 5, 2017 07-13-38 p.m. Knicks G Hardaway sidelined at least 2 weeks December 5, 2017 06-4-4-03 p.m. Warriors G Curry ankle will miss at least 2 weeks December 5, 2017 06-3-8-3-3 p.m. Cavs can tie franchise record with win versus Kings December 5, 2017 06-2-1-2-9 p.m. Kawhi not Spurs Leonard could return this week December 5, 2017 05-19-07 p.m. Struggling Magic aim to get well against Hawks December 5, 2017 01-15-56 p.m. Wizards still without Wall for game at Portland December 5, 2017 03-48-17 more. Auto NASCAR Community Fates Champion Truex Jr. honors Earnhardt Jr. December 1, 2017 07-3-04 p.m. THE inside story of the race that made Truex Jr. a champ November 29, 2017 07-3-05 to Earnhardt Jr.'s final send-off has noble purpose November 29, 2017 05-0054 p.m. Junior Achievements Glory and a fitting end to story November 20, 2017 03-36-09 Earnhardt Jr. Kenseth say goodbye to NASCAR November 19, 2017 09-13-37 p.m. Busch finishes one spot short of title November 19, 2017 09-12-19 p.m. Ford EcoBoost 400 result November 19, 2017 08-3445 p.m. Truex claims EcoBoost 400 Series title November 19, 2017 08-2251 p.m. Chairman France expresses optimism about state of NASCAR November 19, 2017 03-1046 p.m. Byron wins Xfinity title as Custer wins at Homestead November 18, 2017 08-5034 p.m. Homestead Notebook Truex Jr. overcomes brush with wall November 18, 2017 04-31-27 p.m. Bell takes Truck Series title Briscoe gets first win November 18, 2017 003-14 am Denny Hamlin steals Homestead pole from Martin Truex Jr. November 17, 2017 103-351 p.m. Ganassi, Patrick discussing possibilities for 2018 partnership November 17, 2017 08-57-45 p.m. NASCAR Notebook respect for Gibbs pushed Stewart to team ownership November 17, 2017 05-4030 p.m. Patrick to end career with Daytona 500, Indy 500 runs November 17, 2017 05-37-18 p.m. Ace final race approaches, Earnhardt Jr. contemplates what ifs November 17, 2017 02-0255 p.m. My Youthful Cindric seeks championship at Camping World Truck Series finale November 16, 2017 09-07-26 p.m. Ingram confident Truex feels it's his turn for title November 16, 2017 01-4503 p.m. Auto Racing glance November 16, 2017 00-4720 and more. Golf Tigers backwoods finishes strong at Hero World Challenge December 3, 2017 05-5151 p.m. Woods falls further back at Hero World Championship December 2, 2017 08-08-20 p.m. Tigers strong again at Hero World Championship December 1, 2017 06-1715 p.m. Out of the woods Tiger returns in style. Shoots 69 November 30, 2017 09-2456 p.m. Woods returns to competition at Hero World Challenge November 29, 2017 04-37-58 p.m. Woods addresses back, medicine, sleep issues November 28, 2017 01-2038 p.m. Love lost veteran Love III has hip replacement surgery November 21, 2017 03-1735 p.m. Fung remains no 1 in Rolex Rankings November 20, 2017 0350 1 p.m. Cook hosts to RSM Classic Victory November 19, 2017 0925 3 p.m. Triton Newgarden rallies to win CME Group Tour Championship November 19, 2017 0601 9 p.m. Cook extends lead to 3 strokes at RSM Classic November 18, 2017 0949 p.m. 4-share LPGA lead after Park 75 November 18, 2017 0926 7 p.m. Cook grabs second round lead at RSM Classic November 17, 2017 0845 1 p.m. Park takes the lead at CME Group Tour Championship November 17, 2017 0707 9 p.m. Kirk takes lead at RSM Classic November 16, 2017 101 p.m. Smith Yen share CME Group lead November 16, 2017 0653 p.m. Plenty online for Thompson at CME Group Tour Championship November 15, 2017 0406 1 p.m. RSM Classic presents home game for Mini on PGA Tour November 15, 2017 0337 10 p.m. Players to watch RSM Classic November 14, 2017 0404 8 p.m. Take 5 with Angel Yin November 14, 2017 0226 8 p.m. More NHL Wild recall F. Eriksson Ek December 6, 2017 0228 7 p.m. Rangers sign G. Mazanik, send G. Georgiev to Wald December 6, 2017 0204 2 p.m. Panthers recall G. Sateri December 6, 2017 110,201 am. Senators looking to shrug off blowout, visit Ducks December 6, 2017 035245 am. NHL Roundup Kings Gabrick scores 400th goal December 6, 2017 0345 06 am. Brossois under microscope as Oilers host Flyers December 6, 2017 033615 am. Streaking Capitals host slumping Blackhawks December 6, 2017 032809 am. Leafs return home to face Flames December 6, 2017 031955 am. Golden Knights win shootout over Ducks December 6, 2017 023012 am. Canucks Markstrom records first career shutout December 6, 2017 022811 am. Gay Burrick Kopitar carry Kings to 6th win in row December 6, 2017 021233 am. Sabres snap skid by beating Avalanche December 6, 2017 012625 am. Saros Predators stop Stars December 6, 2017 005034 am. Shen's hat-trick helps Blues edge Canadians December 6, 2017 002136 Armored Wings rout Jets to snap slide in style December 6, 2017 000403 am. Lightning overpower Islanders December 5, 2017 114,945 p.m. Devils stymie Blue Jackets, take Metro lead December 5, 2017 114,244 p.m. Rangers stop Penguins in key division game December 5, 2017 113,852 p.m. Sharks D. Dillon suspended for slash December 5, 2017 110,345 p.m. Coyotes assign G. Langhammer, D. Hanley to Tucson December 5, 2017 033011 p.m. More WNBA report Stars to move from San Antonio to Las Vegas October 13, 2017 000833 am. Fowles pushes Lynx past Sparks for WNBA title October 5, 2017 00081 am. Sparks, Lynx clash in Game 5 with WNBA title on the line October 3, 2017 060013 p.m. Lynx defeat Sparks to force Game 5 in WNBA Finals October 2, 2017 003034 am. Sparks look to Lynx win second straight title September 30, 2017 085117 p.m. Sparks win Game 3, Open 21 lead in WNBA Finals September 30, 2017 011214 am. Lynx, Sparks knotted at 11 as series shifts to LA September 28, 2017 100,014 p.m. Lynx hold off Sparks to even WNBA Finals September 26, 2017 114,018 p.m. Lynx look for better start in Game 2 versus Sparks September 25, 2017 055505 p.m. Sparks, Lynx protest anthem before WNBA Finals September 24, 2017 070723 p.m. Gray's shot gives Sparks series lead over Lynx September 24, 2017 065939 p.m. WNBA's top 2 teams meet again in Finals September 23, 2017 083322 p.m. More helps Lynx sweep Mystics, advance to WNBA Final September 17-2017-07-5056 p.m. Sparks defeat Mercury to head back to WNBA Finals September 17, 2017 07-4430 p.m. Sparks look to dismiss Mercury, advance to Finals September 16, 2017 09-3352 p.m. Lynx closing in on another Finals appearance September 16, 2017 05-0527 p.m. Parker powers Sparks to 20 series lead versus Mercury September 15, 2017 003922 AM Fowles leads Lynx past Mystics with MVP performance September 14, 2017 104,047 p.m. Lynx C Fowles named WNBA MVP September 14, 2017 090443 p.m. Parker, Sparks hope to cool Mercury again September 13, 2017 070829 p.m. More Tennis former Wimbledon champion Novotny dies at 49 November 20, 2017 105,454 am Dimitrov beats Goffin to claim ATP Finals title November 19, 2017 075230 p.m. Goffin shocks Federer in semi-final match of ATP Finals November 18, 2017 084556 p.m. Goffin rolls, now faces Federer in semis of ATP Finals November 17, 2017 071912 p.m. Federer outlasts Cilic Sock advances November 16, 2017 072927 p.m. Dimitrov dominates Goffin to reach semis of ATP Finals November 15, 2017 070001 p.m. Federer clinches spot in semifinals at ATP Finals November 14, 2017 083044 p.m. Nadal withdraws from ATP Finals after loss to Goffin November 13, 2017 065514 p.m. Federer shines at ATP Finals November 12, 2017 095522 p.m. Chung claims next-gen ATP Finals title November 12, 2017 003 443 am Chung advances to next-gen ATP Finals November 10, 2017 071452 p.m. No. 1 seed Rublev survives in 5 sets November 9, 2017 073636 p.m. Kachanov evens record in next-gen finals November 8, 2017 102,900 Pagested rules in place as next-gen finals open November 7, 2017 103,356 p.m. Socket to him American wins Paris Masters November 5, 2017 022331 p.m. Gorges rallies past Van de Wey to win WTA Elite Trophy November 5, 2017 020443 p.m. Unlikely contender Krajinovic reaches Paris Final November 4, 2017 044620 p.m. Van de Wey to face Gorges in WTA Elite Trophy Final November 4, 2017 013826 p.m. Nadal withdraws from Paris Tourney November 3, 2017 082249 p.m. Gorges reaches WTA Elite Trophy Semifinals November 3, 2017 043030 p.m. More Soccer Timbers Valeri named MVP of MLS December 4, 2017 033426 p.m. Sounders cruise into MLS Cup rematch December 1, 2017 023053 am. Houston needs Dynamo performance versus Sounders November 30, 2017 021526 am. Toronto FC advances to MLS Cup with 10 victory November 30, 2017 001134 am. Toronto FC crew optimistic ahead of second leg of East Final November 28, 2017 041542 p.m. Sounders blow past Dynamo in West Finals opener November 22, 2017 011955 am. Columbus, Toronto Open Eastern Finals with OO tie November 21, 2017 113:25 p.m. Sounders, Dynamo meet in West Final after long delay November 21, 2017 013523 am. Underdog crew host Toronto FC in Eastern Finals November 20, 2017 103,126 p.m. Solo accuses ex-FIFA head Blatter of UAL misconduct November 10, 2017 050654 p.m. Revolution hire Friedel as head coach November 9, 2017 093637 p.m. Openly gay Rogers retires November 7, 2017 031132 p.m. Dynamo topple top-seeded Timbers, reach West Finals November 5, 2017 115,704 p.m. Columbus shutout but advances to East Final November 5, 2017 090916 p.m. Toronto FC advances to East Final despite setback November 5, 2017 075441 p.m. NEW York City FC needs big win versus Crew November 4, 2017 07:06:11 p.m. Toronto looks to finish off Red Bulls November 4, 2017 06:44:32 p.m. Much at stake in Timbers Dynamo matchup November 4, 2017 05:47:07 p.m. Dempsey kicks Sounders into West Finals November 3, 2017 02:58:54 am. Sounders Whitecaps to settle score in second leg November 1, 2017 103,150 p.m. More other IOC bans Russian Olympic Committee for 2018 Games December 5, 2017 03:43:36 p.m. Houston's Watt Al-Tuvshar SI Sportsperson of Year December 5, 2017 02:18:38 am. Press Box Yankees name Boone Manager December 4, 2017 08:13:19 p.m. Press Box Nebraska hires Central FLA Coach Frost December 2, 2017 07:16:43 p.m. Press Box Lebo quits as East Carolina coach November 29, 2017 07:38:22 p.m. Press Box Rangers sign RHP Fister November 28, 2017 08:45:09 p.m. Press Box Arizona goes to and out in rankings November 27, 2017 07:08:31 p.m. Press Box Wizards G Wall out 2 weeks November 25, 2017 08:05:03 p.m. Press Box Pastorius prison sentence increased to 13+ years November 24, 2017 08:03:58 p.m. Pastorius gets prison sentence doubled to 13 years November 24, 2017 02:24:59 p.m. Press Box Nasser pleads guilty to UAL assault charges November 22, 2017 08:08:37 p.m. Nasser pleads guilty to UAL assault charges. Apologizes in court November 22, 2017 03:41:00 p.m. Douglas claims UAL abuse by Team USA Dr. November 21, 2017 102,316 p.m. PRESS Box Jones, Tommy among newcomers on Hall of Fame ballot November 20, 2017 06:50:20 p.m. Press Box UCLA fires Mora November 19, 2017 08:34:38 p.m. Press Box Byron wins NASCAR Xfinity Series title November 18, 2017 103,614 p.m. PRESS Box Danica Patrick plans to retire in May November 17, 2017 08:54:32 p.m. Press Box Fight Dr. Pacheco dies at 89 November 16, 2017 08:09:12 p.m. Press Box UCLA trio suspended indefinitely November 15, 2017 08:24:54 p.m. Press Box Alabama No. 1 in CFP rankings November 14, 2017 101,050 p.m. More WCBK South Carolina G's Davis, Gray declare for WNBA Draft August 11, 2017 02:20:17 p.m. South Carolina tops Mississippi State for first national title April 2, 2017 101,637 p.m. Miss State must finish off Miracle vs. South Carolina April 1, 2017 03:39:47 p.m. Mississippi State ends UConn's 111-game win streak April 1, 2017 02:13:21 am. South Carolina beats Stanford to reach national title game April 1, 2017 02:06:50 am. Final Four Notebook Mississippi State out for unlikely revenge March 30, 2017 04:57:05 p.m. Coaches on display as South Carolina faces Stanford March 29, 2017 05:24:32 p.m. Mississippi State out to take best shot versus UConn March 29, 2017 05:16:37 p.m. South Carolina holds off Florida State to reach Final Four March 27, 2017 111,757 p.m. UConn buries Oregon, powers into Final Four March 27, 2017 09:09:05 p.m. Mississippi State upsets Baylor in OT to reach Final Four March 26, 2017 102,046 p.m. Stanford edges Notre Dame to reach 13th Final Four March 26, 2017 02:37:47 p.m. South Carolina braces for Florida State March 26, 2017 02:06:30 am. Upstart Oregon faces major challenge against UConn March 26. 2017-015351 AM. NCAA Women's Roundup UConn rolls into Elite 8 March 25, 2017 09:21:17 p.m. Florida State comeback ousts Oregon State March 25, 2017 09:05:07 p.m. Top-seeded South Carolina overwhelms Quinnipiac March 25, 2017 08:27:16 p.m. UConn rolls into Elite 8. Orima reaches milestone March 25, 2017 04:22:11 p.m. Oregon stuns Maryland to reach Match Elite 8 March 25, 2017 03:5826 p.m. Baylor hoping to get back to Final Four with win over Mississippi State March 25, 2017 02:4244 more. AFL Jones throws 6 TD passes as SaberCats beat Command August 29, 2017 07:5911 p.m. SaberCats 65, Rush 40 May 31, 2017 08:4716 p.m. Motley Crue's Neil Building Las Vegas franchise May 30, 2016 08:2914 p.m. Rattlers beat Rush and Thriller October 1, 2014 08:2522 p.m. Kiss offers Tebow 3-year deal September 9, 2013 014959 p.m. Kiss part of New LA Arena franchise August 15, 2013 055412 p.m. Rush Crush Gladiators 6832 July 13, 2013 113119 p.m. Philadelphia Soul 58 Chicago Rush 26 July 6, 2013 110638 p.m. Rush 50 Storm 49 June 22, 2013 104411 p.m. Rush 63 Predators 55 June 1, 2013 101,341 p.m. Arizona Rattlers 56, Chicago Rush 49, May 19, 2013 095428 p.m. Cleveland Gladiators 53, Chicago Rush 50 May 11, 2013 100,232 p.m. Chicago Rush 59, Utah Blaze 56 April 21, 2013 014607 m. Chicago Rush 48, San Antonio Talons 41 April 5, 2013 114,637 p.m. Cleveland Gladiators 60, Chicago Rush 54 July 21, 2012 104,731 p.m. Chicago Rush 57, Milwaukee Mustangs 54 July 15, 2012 000123 m. Jacksonville Sharks 55, Orlando Predators 34 July 14, 2012 100624 p.m. Rush, Michna playing for individual prestige July 13, 2012 120,625 m. Georgia Force 56, Orlando Predators 53 July 1, 2012 061918 p.m. Chicago Rush 59, Kansas City Command 41 June 23, 2012 114,910 p.m. More. All ECHL moves 3 teams to all cities August 17, 2017 095937 p.m. Mall announces 5-team Pacific Division January 29, 2015 050703 p.m. Griffins 2, Wolves 1 OT December 30, 2014 105820 p.m. Ice Hogs 4, Wolves 2 December 28, 2014 075445 p.m. Wolves 6, Admirals 2 December 26, 2014 105954 p.m. Wolves 5, Griffins 3 December 22, 2014 110228 p.m. Wolves 5, Wild 1 December 21, 2014 070056 p.m. Wild 5, Wolves 1 December 20, 2014 104936 p.m. Flames 4, Wolves 1 December 17, 2014 025909 p.m. Wolves 6, Rampage 2 December 9, 2014 105337 p.m. Rampage 2, Wolves 1 December 7, 2014 080116 p.m. Monsters 2, Wolves 1 December 5, 2014 105519 p.m. Monsters 3, Wolves 2 December 3, 2014 094347 p.m. Wolves 2, Ice Hogs 1 November 29, 2014 105008 p.m. Wolves 4, Ice Hogs 3 November 28, 2014 111926 p.m. Admirals 4, Wolves 1 November 26, 2014 105935 p.m. Ice Hogs 3, Wolves 0 November 23, 2014 075132 p.m. Wolves 3, Wild 2 November 22, 2014 110718 p.m. Admirals 3, Wolves 2 OT November 21, 2014 110318 p.m. Flames 3, Wolves 0 November 18, 2014 093634 p.m. More. Fighting Holloway wins by TKO over Aldo at UFC 218 December 3, 2017 012325 am. Holloway Eyes Legacy fight vs. Aldo at UFC 218 November 30, 2017 044614 am. Fight Dr. Pacheco dies at 89 November 16, 2017 052651 p.m. De La Hoya I can take out McGregor in 2 rounds November 14, 2017 113,439 am. St. Pierre shocks Bisping at UFC 217 November 5, 2017 015452 am. St. Pierre vies for successful return vs. Bisping at UFC 217 November 1, 2017 05:58:07 p.m. Ferguson stops Lee in UFC 216, wants McGregor October 8, 2017 01:12:35 a.m. UFC 216 winner Maitland fight against McGregor October 5, 2017 00:39:17 am. Word on retirement. Desire to fight is no longer there. September 21, 2017 110,839 am. Raging bullfighter LaMotta dies at age 95 September 20, 2017 1250:57 am. Golovkin-Alvarez fight to controversial draw September 17, 2017 02:33:46 am. Golovkin squares off with Alvarez in middleweight showdown September 15, 2017 05:27:08 p.m. UFC strips Jones of light heavyweight title September 13, 2017 09:37:58 p.m. Jones-Cormier fight declared no contest September 13, 2017 06:09:33 p.m. Jones failed drug test confirmed September 13, 2017 00:01:22 am. Nunes defeats Shevchenko at UFC 215 September 10, 2017 01:38:38 am. Shevchenko bout headlines UFC 215 September 8, 2017 101,228 p.m. Borg pulls out of UFC 215 main event versus Johnson with illness September 8, 2017 113,327 am. Pacquiao pulls out of Horn rematch due to conflict September 1, 2017 01:39:22 p.m. Mayweather beats McGregor by TKO in 10th round August 27, 2017 01:44:50 am. Or